Happy Friday, happy weekend. Yeah, welcome to my page, welcome to my channel, Baby Solomon African Delight Delicacy. So today I'll be making a special delicacy in my kitchen. Yes, I am making fried rice, vegetable fried rice. I've already done before jollof rice. So today in my kitchen I am making vegetable fried rice. Somebody is celebrating her daughter's 1 year party, so I am making 20 plates of delicious fried rice. So for the ingredient I'm using, I'll be using minced vegetables, carrot, green peas, and sweet corn. Yes, I have also sausage. I'll be using sausage, yes, with fried chicken and etc and etc, you know. So I just want to show you how we do our Nigerian delicious fried rice. So first of all, I'll be cooking my rice. You understand? I'll be toasting my rice. After toasting the rice, so I'm going to fry all the ingredients, all the vegetables, and all the sausage, and spice all of them up before I can start mixing them together, before I can start, cooking that yummy fried rice. So guys, stay with me. Let's go prepare this yummy delicacy. So we are now toasting our rice first. This is my own method of cooking fried rice. So first of all, I will toast the rice, salt, white onion, thyme, I'll let it fry for some minutes. We are adding curry. Make sure you put enough curry so that you get that colorful fried rice. So I am pouring the rice. I've already washed the rice. Remember, we are toasting the rice. I have to cover it, let it toast for a while before I can add chicken stock. I have my chicken stock here, so I'll be adding that later. Okay, our rice is toasted enough. Always make sure you turn it when you are toasting your rice. Yeah, so we are going to add the chicken stock. We'll be adding that chicken stock to cook the rice. Beautiful chef preparing the best of the meal. If you never try our food, what are you waiting for? Call us. Party, we send anywhere you are. Indoor catering, outdoor catering. You can also come to our restaurant and eat. Yes, just let us know. DM me, call us to book in advance, okay? We provide all kinds of Nigerian delicious delicacy. I've been in this business for years now. I can assure you that if you eat my food, you will never regret it. In fact, you know that taste of Niger food, maybe those ones, maybe anybody will just come here, they one corner, begin to cook, they give you no, but they eat anyhow to eat better food. Look at me now, the way you see me is the way my food is. So now we are putting our rice together. Sorry, we are putting our chicken stock. Yes, after putting the chicken stock, I will be covering the pot, then allow the rice to cook properly before I will start making the vegetable sauce. I'm adding crayfish. So you can see our rice is toasted enough, you see. Make sure you don't cook it too much so that the rice will not become so soggy. So yeah, now I am going to prepare the vegetable sauce for the fried rice. So at this point I'm done with this. You can follow up and watch the next video on how we are going to mix the fried rice after preparing the vegetable and sausage sauce.